everybody, Lou with BergenPickers.com here, and today we're looking at the LB8 Schrade Uncle Henry Papa Bear folding knife. Alright, still boxed. I don't think it has ever been used, so let's take a closer look. So this is how it originally came when you purchased it. Slide the slip cover off, flip that sucker around, and we're looking at, what does it say? Uncle Henry. Wonderful. Nice box. Great condition. Whoever had it forgot to gift it or use it. Let's bring this open. Wearing gloves, obviously. I don't want to get any smudges on the blade or anything. Oh, and there it is. This is the original leather case it came with. So it was packaged this way. This is not an addition, to this knife. So when you purchase the box, this is exactly how it came. I'm gonna bring that out, and it should have some paperwork in there, and it does. There we go. Let's see what we got here. This is a certificate, I guess for a parts replacement or anything like that. There it is. Ultimate Lockback knife by Schrade, the Uncle Henry Bear Paw. Ta-da. Okay, then we got a loss replacement. Paperwork. Alright, let's move those papers back into the box. As you can see, everything's in great shape. Oh, that's a beauty. Not used. Beautiful. Hold on a second. Yep. Still smells very nice. A nice leather smell. So here we go. You ready? Bum, 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 bottom. Okay. All right. Enough of that. There it is. Uncle Henry. So there's some other styles. So I think that a few of these were released. There was one that was the entire body was made of brass. This one is silver, and it is heavy. I'd say it probably weighs, probably about, I don't know, about half a pound or so. Okay, let's take a look at what it says right there. If you can see, it says Uncle Henry Schrade Plus LB8 USA. Okay, flip it over. Nothing on the other side. But as you can see, the blade is beautiful. Perfect condition, never used. I believe the handle here is made out of antler, and I do believe it's real. I don't think this is any replica or any substitute material used for it. But I could be wrong. Okay. There we go. Very nice. So let's open it up. You hear it locking in. And it measures about what? Opened up like this, it measures about, I'd say 7 inches or so, maybe 8 inches, 8.5 inches. Okay, again, very heavy. Nice condition. Beauty. Can you guys see that? Look at that. Okay, wonderful. Let's bring the blade back in. There we go. And let's put it away. So yeah, I just wanted to show you this find. I thought it was really neat. It's difficult to find items like this in these kinds of conditions, so whenever I come across it, I'd like to share it with you. And it'll be ready for whoever's interested in it. Yeah, so if you guys enjoyed the video, please subscribe to us, like the video, and if you have any comments or tips or any additional information, please leave them in the comments below. Also, go visit BergenPickers.com, or you can also email us if you're interested in it. Yeah, so it's been Lou with BergenPickers.com, and today we checked out the LB8 Schrade Uncle Henry Bear Paw, I think it's also called Papa Bear, Lockback folding knife. See ya.